Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to look at how we can draw a good quality graph in Excel. Okay, when a first semester student draws a graph, he draws a graph like this way. Okay, if you are in the first semester, then this kind of graph is fine. But if you see the research papers, you see that the graphs are published like this way. Okay, so what is basically the difference between these two? You see that there are some back lines here, okay, the grid lines here, and here there are no grid lines, and this kind of graph has been plotted here. Okay, so today we are going to see how we can plot the good quality publication graph in Excel. So let me delete it first. Okay, first go to the insert tab, and then here you need to select this scatter with smooth lines. So select this graph, right click, select the data, and here you need to select this option add. And here I want to basically draw the graph between the flow rate and the head and the flow rate versus efficiency. So I want to draw two line graphs in Excel. So how we can do that? So first I need to select the series name. So first is like, let me select the head, and I want in meters, so type head in meters, or I can either select the cell. So select for the X value, click this upward arrow, select the first cell. Okay, just select the first cell rather than dragging it like this way downward. Don't do that. Just select the first cell, press the shift key, and then the down arrow. Okay, so shift and then the down arrow. Select this one. For the Y value, again click the upward arrow, select the first cell, shift and the down arrow. Okay, you need to press them uh, simultaneously. So select OK and then OK. Now you see that I have my first curve. To draw the second curve on the same graph, right click, select data, and here again add, and for the series name I would directly call that from the cell. So select this percentage efficiency cell. For the X value, again select this first cell, shift and then the down arrow. Okay, and for the Y value, again uh, efficiency, first cell, shift and the down key. Okay, and then select OK. Now you see that I have my curves here. Now I need to do some formatting. First of all, I would do the formatting of the axis or this grid plot area. So select the graph, this plus sign, and then select the axis title here. Here I would uh, write the flow rate, FLORAT, type the meter cube per second. Okay, see that here this is like M3. I want to make this 3 as a superscript. So to make that as a superscript, so just like this 3, select 3, go to the home, and then here you see that there is a font setting options. Click here, and here you need to select the superscript. Okay, first select the 3 and then make it superscript, and then okay. Now you see that this meter cube, this looks more professional than this one. Okay, so meter cube per second, and then next thing is I want to remove this axis title because I don't want to keep it, and then remove the grid line, select the grid lines here, and then delete. Okay, just click in the plot area, select the grid line and then delete them, press the delete key. Okay, so now next thing is I want to format these axes. Okay, this x-axis and the y-axis. First of all, come to the x-axis. I want to make these like sharp, these numbers sharp and black, and I want to format the number format as well. So just select the x-axis, right click, format axis, and then here you see the different options. First of all is the boundary values. The minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is 0.18. You can change that. Let's say if you want to make it 0.202, you can do that. So this is 0.2, go to the point, but for me I will go for the 0.18, the default values. And next thing is, you see that there are at at major values, okay, there are some tick marks outside the chart area or the plot area. So I can add those tick marks. I will go to the axis option, and then here there's the option of tick marks. So just click the tick marks here, and then select the major type outside. So you see that now their tick marks are visible. But if you want to add the minor one as well, so you can add them too as well. Okay, inside or outside, it's up to you. But for this graph, that's not required. And the next thing is, I want to format the number as well. Okay, you see that uh, here there's no decimal places, here there's only one decimal place, here is the two decimal place. So I want to make that all decimal places should be 2. So select the, in the category, select the number, and then okay, you see that there are 2 decimal places, so just keep as it is, and then select okay, this is fine. Next thing is, I want to like change the color of this axis. Okay, this is like light gray, so just like again select the axis, go to this fill and line option, and then here you see that uh, in the line option its color is gray. So select this color option, and then select black, make the width to be 1. Okay, this seems pretty fine. Okay, and then for the numbers, increase the font size, let me 10 is fine. And then if you want to change the make them old, then you can do it from here. Select the automatic, okay, or the black. Okay, okay, so this is more sharp than before. Okay, and these seems more like nicer. Oh, these are nice. Okay, so select the y-axis value, and then I will do the same here. uh, Add the tick marks outside, and then the number format, I will not change the number format here because I don't these values are quite bigger, so there's no need of the decimal places here. So go to the fill and line option, and here again change the color to black, and then set the width to be 1, and then okay, line is solid. Okay, this is fine. Now you see that again select the select the numbers or the axis, black, change the font to be 10. Okay, this is better than before. Same I will do with the flow rate or the axis title, make it black, increase the font size to be 12. Okay, so that this one is visible. Now next thing is, uh, I want to basically border the plot area. As you see here, there's a border. So to add the border here, just click the plot area, just double click it. Okay, so the format plot a option will be visible on your screen, and then here select the solid. Okay, and then because right before it was like no automatic, it was white, but you need to change it to solid, and then change the width to be 1 because this one is 1, so you should keep these two 1 as well. So set it to be 1 width, and then okay. Okay, this is better. Now I want to add another border at the boundary of this plot as well, to like differentiate it from the sheet. So just select again, double click here outside the plot area, and just click here, and then here again select the solid line, change the color to be black. Okay, it is already, and then set it to be 1. Okay, now you see that this graph is clearly visible, differentiable from the sheet. Now I want to add the legends as well. So just click the plus sign here, select the legends, but you see that right now the legends are on the right side, and they are basically contracting my graph area. So I want to format them as well. So just click here, right click, format legend, place them either bottom, at the bottom, or at the top. So I would prefer at the bottom because they look nice at this position. Or if you want to add the legends like this way, okay, inside the chart area, then you need to basically uncheck, just first make them first select this right option so that they are here, and then uncheck this show the legend without overlapping chart. Select this option, and then move. Now you can move this legend anywhere in the plot area where you want to. Again, format this one, black, increase the font size to be 12 is fine, and then okay. Now last thing, I would like to change the color of this line as well, okay, because if there are one or two lines and these colors are like light, so I want to make them sharp, okay, sharp color. So I would select this line, just double click here, select the line, complete line, select the fill in line option, and then here change the color from orange to I would say that it's the efficiency, so I can make it green, okay. It looks nice, okay. Select the blue line and change to the red, okay. Okay, so you see that this is clearly a better approach than this one. Okay, last thing is how to basically save this graph, okay, because you want to use them again. So don't take the screenshot, okay, just click here outside the plot area, and then save as a picture. Let me save it as a graph. Okay, let's save as it, okay. So now go to the desktop, and where is my graph? Let me find it out where I have placed it. Okay, where's the graph? Okay, let me save it again. uh, Control S, save as a picture. Okay, it's in the picture, so I will save it at the desktop. So graph EEE, okay, this is fine. Now you see that the quality of this graph is much better than, okay, this one, okay. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.